We made it. How do you start off when you're, how do you do this? Do you like card tricks that blow people away? Do you hate practicing? Well, this is the card trick for you. What up, crew? It is Magic Monday, and this is your place to learn magic, master your performance, and captivate audiences. It is great to be back. You already know what this card trick's about, so let's do it. All right, guys, so check this out. For this card trick, we're gonna start off by giving the deck a quick little shuffle. Or nothing too wild, you know what I'm saying? Just a little bit of a shuffle, but we will need the 4 aces, so I decided to keep those on top just to, make life easier for me. So we got the 4 aces here, and now we're gonna need a couple more cards from the deck. So let me grab a few. There we go. That should be fine, and we don't really need the rest of the deck. I'm gonna spread these cards out, and if I had a spectator here, I'd ask the spectator to take these 4 aces and place them wherever they'd like, facing up. So we'll put one here, put one here, we'll put one here, put the other one like over here. All right, square all this up, and boom, amazing. And now we're just gonna give the deck a quick overhand shuffle. Of course, if the spectator was here, they are completely allowed to do this. Completely up to them. Free shuffling. All right, now that we've done that, we're gonna do this. We're gonna go through the cards. We're going to keep one card like this, keep it straight down, and then we're gonna flip one card. All right, so just like this. So you can see at this point that there's some aces staying in the same direction, some aces being flipped, and now they're aces facing in both directions. I know, it's pretty wild. We're gonna do one more thing, okay? I'm gonna take a pile of 4 cards. I want you to tell me if you want to keep or flip this pile. All right, keep or flip. Keep or, okay, you're not actually here, but let's just say you want to keep this pile. We'll keep it. Next pile, let's say you want to keep this as well. Next pile, let's say you want to flip this pile. And last pile, let's say you want to flip this pile as well. All right, so boom, we really messed it up now. And we're going to split this into 4 piles. So here we go. And you'll see not all the aces will be in the same pile. There we go. And some aces are faces up, some aces are face down. The face down aces you can't see, but I guarantee you they're here. All right, we're gonna square all this up, put this together like this. And if the spectator was here, I'd ask which pile they want to select. If they select this pile, we're gonna take this pile, put it on top of the other one. And now check it out. Here's the magic. If we go through and take a look, there are 4 cards face down. And the only 4 cards face down are the 4 aces. Pure magic. All right, everybody, welcome to the tutorial. Just a little bit of background on this effect. This was sent in by Infinity Card Tricks. I'm going to put the link to her channel down in the description. You guys should definitely go ahead and check it out for more cool tricks like this, because I really did enjoy this trick. It's a great self-worker. So all that being said, let's go ahead and break it down. All right, so first things first, you need a 4 of a kind selected. What I like to do is I like to ask the spectator what 4 of a kind they'd like, and I like to have the aces right on top of the deck. So this way, in case you say aces, you can just boom, produce those 4 aces right off the top, and it's just like a nice trick inside the trick. All right, so once you have a 4 of a kind selected by the spectator, take that out and put it over to the side. The next thing that you need to do is take out 12 cards. Now you can do this as any which way. You could even do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't do that. Never do that. You kind of want to show the spectator that you're taking an arbitrary number of cards off the top and just putting it down on the table, but you want to take 12. So there are a couple ways you can do this. You can go with 3 piles of 4. You can go with 4 piles of 3. What I did my performance, I just took a pile of 5, put that down, another pile of 5, put that down, and then I just counted like 1, 2, and there we had our pile. Now you can toss the rest of the deck over to the side because we have everything we need to do the trick. At this point, go ahead and spread out the 12 cards and ask the spectator to take those 4 aces and place them anywhere they'd like within this spread. So let's say here, 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 and then down here. You know, whatever they'd like, and make sure they're placing it face up. So you can go ahead, square up the pile, and you can even have them shuffle it up. So boom, there you go, overhand shuffle. Just like this. And the reason this doesn't really matter is because it really doesn't. It's just you're moving the aces, which is, I mean, you had the free choice of putting them anywhere you wanted. So, yep, there you go. Go ahead and do that. Once that is complete, the next thing you're going to tell the spectator to do is take one card, put it face up, or put it as is, and then flip over the next card. So we want to place it as is, flip, place as is, flip, place, flip, place, flip. And as you're doing this, you can tell the spectator that some aces are face up and some aces are now face down. And they probably didn't see all 4 aces face up here. The next thing you'll be doing is taking 4 piles of 4 and asking the spectator if they want to keep the cards as is or flip that whole pile over. So these 4 cards you want to keep or flip. Let's just say they say flip it over. These 4 cards, let's say keep. These 4 cards, let's say flip. These 4 cards, let's say flip. All right. So there we go. And now you're going to break this down into 4 separate piles, just like this. Deal 1 card at a time. Boom, magic. So you can see none of the aces, or the aces that you did see, are not ending up in the same pile. From here, take the packets on the edge, flip them over onto the packets in the center. So they're like this, flip them over to the packets into the center. And now ask the spectator which packet they'd like to use to flip over. If they say this packet, flip it over here. If they say this packet, flip it over here. So regardless of what packet they choose, that's the one you're going to flip over. Let's just say they pick this one. Boom, flip that over. And here's the moment of truth. Are you ready? Moment of truth. 4 cards are face down, and those 4 cards are the 1, 2, 3, 4 aces. Really a fantastic trick. Thanks again for Infinity Card Tricks for sending this in. I'll put the link to our channel down in the description. Make sure you go ahead and check it out. And of course, to wrap it all up, we can't have Magic Monday without a quote of the week. So this one is by Thomas Edison. He says, "Many of life's failures are people who did not realize how close they were to success when they gave up." Never give up, guys. I'll see you really soon. Peace out.